This week I've made some exciting changes to my app and I want to talk about it. So this comes from me trying to figure out how I want to attract customers. I've noticed that the site doesn't look good enough to the level that I want it to be. So when I say the site, I mean the landing page where I have my blog and the pricing, where users first come and that's the first thing that they see. I'm not looking for it to be professional. I want to highlight the features that it has and also the problems that I'm trying to solve. Here is the original site. So I've checked out an older tag which had the oldest version. Not the oldest version, but the version just before I changed everything. It's a really simple site with the hero post, the demo, which is out of date. So I need to update that. And that's about it on this page. And then I've got the blog, which has some of the recent blog posts, which has been a while. The last time I posted was on May the 5th. And then we've got the pricing page, which is simple as well. Just give some information. You've got the FAQ and how to contact us. That is the old site and this is the new one. Looks almost the same. We've got the actual hero post, start free trial. It's right there in front. Some hover effects that I didn't have before. We've got the watch demo, which goes straight to the demo. More hover effects at the top. But then I've also added a section where it basically goes through the features that I have, like real-time inventory sync, one-click product import, variant support, smart SKU generator, unlimited real-time sync, and easy setup and management. So it's really quick. And also some, what's it, how it works kind of thing, where you can connect your store, auto match products and enjoy automatic sync, which is really nice and a lot nicer than just having just a demo and the actual hero post. There's also the blog, which I've switched up as well. We've got a little nicer looking blog page. It's not a lot different because I actually liked the previous structure of the blog. And this is the actual blog page, not a lot different. And then there's the pricing page, which I've changed slightly. It stands out more. Frequently asked question. I've basically aligned a lot of you see the card and effects, they're aligned throughout the actual website, which is quite nice. And then a much nicer footer as well. And then I've also got a contact page where you can fill out a form and then contact if you've got any generic subjects like technical support, billing questions, etc. And also a status page, which I've connected the actual site, which runs, I think, every 5 minutes. I've got all that set up for users. And that's the actual site. And then if I log in to the site, there's the analytics. I did something a few videos ago where I created a cost form in the actual product page, and I said I would do something with it later to create a simple analytics view for users to view some of their data, which I think is very cool. There's not a lot on there, but I know that this is the first step to making something really cool, useful, and valuable in the future. This is the new analytics overview. So here you can view the total quantity of your products, the inventory value, potential revenue, which essentially takes the value of all the stock that you have, the cost of all the stock that you have, and then it calculates the difference. Potential revenue, I don't feel is the right name for it, the right heading. So it should be something like potential gross profit or something along those lines. So I think I should really change that. Then we've got the products, how many products you have and how many variants you have. I've also got a store breakdown, which essentially shows how many stores you've got connected. It usually takes the store with the most products and then basically links everything else together. So that is the analytics overview. I think it's exciting. There's just a few bits on here, but in the future, hopefully you can click on this and drill down onto the products, takes you to places and have some analytics, like the products that you have and stuff like that. I've also added some quality of life features like changing the name of your organization and also the currency that you're using by default. That's it for now. Expect more for next week. So bye.